Okay, I checked out the video with Andy Tube, and he said had the play in the shaft like I have in mine, and you have to I don't know if you can see.
Now what?
You have to loosen the. Let me turn it around. Right under the. Right. Let me get my fingers down there. A minute. Right in there. Can you see it under the white bar? There's two little screws on the main shaft.
Right.
You loosen them just a little bit. Push in on the outside. Right. I can't get my finger inside. Right here where the shaft comes through it. You push on it. Push it in with one hand, and then you push on the bushing casing on the other side at the same time. There was some play there in this machine also. And after you do that, you tighten them back up. And now I don't have the knocking. I don't have the knocking. Have to use one more adjustment, but that's what he was doing. Loosening and retightening them. But it worked, and thank you, Mark, for the video.